Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 9th, 2024, and we have a lot to cover. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. A recent study published in the journal Traffic Safety Research has raised some eyebrows regarding Tesla's reporting of crash data related to its Autopilot system. The study suggests that Tesla might be miscounting crashes to present a more favorable safety record for its advanced driver assistance system. According to Tesla's Q2 2024 safety report, the crash rate is 1 for every 6.88 million miles driven with Autopilot engaged, compared to 1 for every 1.45 million miles without it. However, the study indicates that Tesla's revisions to how it categorizes crash data do not align with statistical norms. This has led researchers to suspect that the company is inflating the safety of Autopilot. The study points out that Tesla changed its crash reporting categories. Previously, these categories included distinctions for crashes with and without active safety features. The new classifications seem to combine these categories in a way that skews the data, making it appear as though crashes without Autopilot are more frequent than they actually are. This raises questions about the validity of the reported crash rates, especially since drivers typically keep active safety features enabled. Noah Goodall, a senior research scientist and the author of the study, emphasizes the need for transparency in Tesla's reporting methods. He points out that the current data is the only national source for Level 2 Advanced Driver Assistance System crash rates. The findings suggest that further investigation is warranted to clarify the discrepancies in Tesla's crash data and ensure accurate reporting for consumer safety and regulatory purposes. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these insights valuable. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Stay tuned for more updates and drive safely.